Stars may look calm in the night sky, but some of them die in the most powerful explosions in the universe. These explosions are called supernovae. A supernova happens when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity, before exploding in a gigantic blast. For a short time, a single supernova can shine brighter than an entire galaxy. These explosions spread heavy elements like iron, gold, and oxygen into space, the same elements that make up planets, and even us. So every atom in your body was once part of a star that exploded. Supernovae are not just endings, they are the beginning of new stars, planets, and life.